How to reset Apple Pay wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple Pay wallet in just a few easy steps. So first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. To reset your Apple Pay wallet, you will need to remove any cards that are currently added. Tap on the card you want to remove, then tap Remove Card. Repeat the steps for any other cards you want to remove from Apple Pay. Then restart your iPhone for good measure. This will ensure everything resets properly. After the reset, you can re-add your cards by tapping Add Card in the wallet and Apple Pay settings and following the prompts. And that's it. Your Apple Pay wallet is now reset, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.